How to delete a state return in TurboTax. So first you want to open up the TurboTax website or software, and then you would need to open your federal return. Then you would need to find the state return you want to remove. Click on it and select delete state return. And if you can't find it for some reason, you can go to Tax Tools category on the left side panel and expand it, and then click on Tools. And then you would need to click on topic search here and just look for delete state return or remove state, and then press go to take you to that page. Otherwise, you should find it under the state category. If you click on the state here, and then you would need to find the state return that you want to remove and click on remove or delete state next to it. And that's pretty much it for this video. If you have any questions, leave them in the comments below, and see you on the next one.